Hello, in front of me I've got Google Pixel. In this video I'll show you how to disable alarm remotely. In order to disable alarm remotely, make sure that hands-free function is enabled on your smartphone. It means that your alarm will recognize the voice. Let's set an alarm or let's wait just a minute, because the alarm will go off in a minute. And after the alarm will go off, you can say snooze or stop. Snooze. Snooze. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.